Welcome to Marine Detail Supply Company, setting the standard for the marine detailing industry. We set the standard.
Hey, what's going on? Ken here with Marine Detail Supply, and we're here at the headquarters in Fort Myers, and we have the pleasure of having Robert Holmes from Xanigo with us today. You know, Robert, I really would love to ask a lot of questions that we just recently made a video on, and there was a lot of comments below. First off, can you kind of tell us how Xanigo got started?
Yeah, no problem. So really, it's all about solving problems. That's kind of who we are. And so I had myself. I'm a founder of the company, and I'm a partner of mine, John Castellino, another partner, Brandon Sprinkle from Dallas, Texas. We all came together and said, "Hey, we really like the marine industry. We really like boats, and we've all been a part of it for our entire lives.
Right.
How can we make an impact there? What can we do? What problems can we solve?" So we all just went their separate ways and went out to marinas and started to look for challenges that boat owners were having. And it became very obvious from the first trip to a marina that 1 out of 3 boats have mold mildew, right? Either on the seats or on the boat somewhere. And it's glaring, right? It was the glaring thing to try and solve.
Sure.
So when we first put the company together, we decided to try and do what a lot of people have tried to do, make the better mold and mildew remover.
Right.
And so we went to work there and realized about halfway through that we're probably approaching it the wrong way. Because if you've got to let mold and mildew grow and then remove it and then let it grow and remove it and grow and remove it, you're not really solving the problem.
Well, not only are you solving the problem, but you're really beating up on whatever surface that mold is building on, because you're going to have to use usually a harsh chemical to remove it. Right?
Absolutely. Yeah. For years, people have tried to solve the mold and mildew to remove it like dirt. Right. It's not dirt. It's a living organism.
Yeah.
Right? It needs to be treated completely differently in a different way. So we decided to back up and look at a different chemical structure and how we could potentially do this. And it came back down to preventive maintenance, right?
Yeah,
and
sure.
like everything on a boat, if you prevent things on the front end, you're a lot easier, and you basically keep a better care for your boat for a longer time.
So what's the difference between Xanigo antimicrobial versus, there's others that are out there on the market?
Yeah, so that's a great question. The challenge was that the patent that those chemicals use typically have, they're stabilized in ethanol or methanol. And ethanol or methanol do not play well in the marine space.
No.
They do not play well with fabrics or certain surfaces. So we needed to really look at it and say, how can we do this differently? And that's the secret sauce behind our antimicrobial, is that it is stabilized in water. It's the first patented antimicrobial that's stabilized in water.
Okay. So, one of the, I think, number one questions that we get too is, as you know, majority of, let's say, vinyl surfaces on a boat are white. Is it going to create any yellowness or anything like that from being applied?
No, and that's the magic of being stabilized in water. Because it's stabilized in water, you're not going to get that discoloring. Now, a chemical that's got methanol or ethanol in it, absolutely, it's going to eventually create some yellow.
What about if I just wash my boat? I mean, isn't it going to just come right off?
The answer is no, because the way that the chemical is designed, it's designed to create what's called a covalent bond, which is a chemical reaction with the surface it applies to. It actually shares atoms and really becomes part of the surface. Okay. And so once it's sprayed onto something, it becomes part of that surface, and it will remain there for up to 90 days and remain active.
Couple of questions on that. So if I'm a boat owner, why would I want this? And then what if I am a marina or a boat dealership? Why would this benefit my business?
Well, a boat owner, because you're always chasing mold and mildew. From a marina standpoint, there are all kinds of places all across the marina that have mold and mildew issues. Dock boxes are common ones in the docks. Right? They get covered in green algae and mold and mildew, and that's another thing. If you preventive task of getting out there every 90 days. Secondly, in a marina industry, typically the way you remove them is again with harsh chemicals. Right?
Yep.
Use bleach is very common.
Very common.
And so you
there's
get
some
out
better
there,
items out there to be a little safer, but yeah, for the most part, bleach. Yep.
But when you talk to people, bleach is commonly used in these spaces, and that all ends up in the water, and that's not good. So with our solution, you apply it to the dock box. There's no leaching. There's no runoff whatsoever.
Right.
So you completely eliminate the runoff issue.
All right, so I really want to talk about boat dealerships too. And we have, some rather large ones, in our network, okay? And matter of fact, I have one that has over 450 boats on their single lot. And as you know, that's pretty time consuming to put your hands on every single one and make sure they're maintained and washed like that, which you have to really keep on that upkeep to make sure that you prevent mold and mildew. And one way that they're able to do it now is implementing Xanigo into their their process. And so they're able to keep the boats without growing mold and mildew. So if somebody comes on the lot and wants to purchase a boat, or even if it's a consignment boat for the owner, it no longer has a mold and mildew. As well as the other benefit for them is it's an added service that they can bring to their repeat customers in. So to really prevent, mold and mildew, and even of those boats that they sell.
Yeah, no doubt about it. Boat dealers are a great audience for us, a great customer for us.
Okay.
For a couple different reasons. Number one, you said it, they all have service departments.
Yep.
And this becomes a significant part of the service department with some increased revenue. And number two, right now the market's slowing. It wasn't but a year ago that boats didn't stay on the lot for a day.
No.
And if you could get one there.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Now they're sitting a little bit longer. One of the enemies of mold is time.
But what about the professional detailer? Their main responsibility is to restore the look of their customer's vessel, right? But how can this benefit the professional detailer and the customer of the professional detailer?
From a detailer standpoint, keeping it off of the seats and keeping the boats nice from an interior standpoint is just as important as keeping the hull shiny. So it's a great service to provide. Beyond that, we've made a tool. A lot of the founders are tool guys. And so as we put this together, our main thought process was, okay, let's look at the pros first, right? The detailers, the guys that are really cleaning the boat. Let's get their impact, get their feedback. Time.
Yeah,
right.
It's huge.
All about time.
Absolutely.
And so just getting them on the phone to have the conversation with them was sometimes challenging. So we created a tool to allow them to apply it literally in minutes and do it very, very, very effectively.
And that's the atomizer,
That's
right?
the atomizer, correct.
Okay.
But then add that service to their bag of tricks.
Right.
And so it gives them the ability to use the chemical very efficiently and make a profitable part of their business.
For those of you that are professionals out there, here's another way to really separate yourself and your business from the competition. On your website, actually have an online certification course, right? Not only to let the professional get familiarized with it, but actually to get certified to use it, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. We think it's important that you understand all aspects of the product, all aspects of the issue, really.
Yeah.
And what is mold and mildew? Why does it grow? How does it grow? And it's, I think, about 11 videos. It takes about 30 minutes to do.
Yep.
I
did it.
There's a little. Oh, there you go. There's a little test at the end.
For any of you out there that really want to see how it's applied, or even a demonstration video, I'll go ahead and link that video down in the description below. You can go ahead and refer back to that. Really takes you through an in-depth way of how to apply the Xanigo Marine system. And again, I used your 90-day demonstration video, which is really shocking of how well it works. Let's talk about the two separate, because really there's about two ways of applying the Xanigo system. Would you mind kind of taking us through it?
All right, so there's two parts of the Xanigo Marine system. There's the mold and mildew preventer, right, and then there's the waterless wash.
Okay.
And so the mold and mildew preventer is what you're putting on every 90 days or so, and this will stop mold and mildew from growing. It's the antimicrobial treatment.
So that's the secret sauce.
This is the secret sauce. The waterless wash is really designed to keep this active. So let's say you take your boat out and you're rolling around the seats with suntan lotion on.
Yeah.
Wipe that off with the waterless wash.
In suntan lotion, like one of the main ingredients of starting mold and mildew on a boat?
Mold's got to have food.
Yeah.
And for some reason it loves suntan lotion. That becomes the food that it starts to eat, and then ultimately it gets through that, and then it gets to the carbon of the seats. It's like, I can't get this stuff off. I can't get this stuff off. That's because it's into your seat. I will give Starke a shout out with their mold and mildew clean that they've got here. This product is phenomenal.
It works really well.
It really, really works. And so you got that problem where you're going, I can't get it off. Get a bottle of this.
Right, because before we apply Xanigo and you already have mold and mildew, it has to come off first.
Absolutely. So get a bottle of this, get it off. Once it's off, begin to treat it. We're going to continue to expand the product line with a focus on doing good, focus on using green products. And so we have a number of products. We released the degreaser, which is a phenomenal product. It works so well. It cuts through the heaviest grease, but it's 94% bio-based.
Oh, wow.
And we're looking to expand that aspect, across the organization. So we want to make sure that we're stopping the real issues that are happening. We're solving and making it easier for the pros and the boat owners to do what they need to do and do it in the right way.
All right, Robert, it was really a pleasure having you, come down to the headquarters of Marine Detail Supply here in Fort Myers. If anybody is interested in these products, click on the links in the description below. But we also have a network of partners. We have one in Tampa Bay. We have a truck running over in Palm Beach, as well as a headquarters here in Fort Myers. We also have a store in Port Clinton, Ohio. Did you believe that?
Nice.
Up in that cold, right?
Lake Erie.
So, Lake Erie. If you get any value out of this video, please go ahead and leave it a like, and go ahead and subscribe to our channels. We're going to have some great partners on, like Robert from Xanigo Marine. And if anybody out there looking to grow, please reach out to us, as we are always looking to expand our network of partners.
Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment on our content. We encourage engagement and debate. Be on the lookout for more product reviews, tutorials, and interviews just like this. Follow us on social media for free giveaways weekly. See you next time.